What's up, bro? How is going? Aurelio is back another time with another great video. Are you ready? We start. First of all, I'm so sorry guys, but before in the previous video I did a mistake because I tell you that the Starship SN-24 is a version 2. Is a mistake because the Starship 24 was a version 1, not version 2. Okay, and now I will speak regarding another part of the Starship model. I will speak regarding the Super Booster number 7. And I started this new video with this. Yes, it's so long. This is a table leg that I used to make the Super Booster. Yes, you can find this. It's so long, I'm so sorry. You can find this table leg at the Leroy Merlin. It's not a publicity, I'm so sorry, but it's necessary for you to have this information, because if you have the idea to make the Starship and the booster like me, this is good. In fact, this is the booster number 7. Okay, now a moment please. This is not good. It's so long, it's so dangerous on my desk, work desk, because I have a lot of things necessary for my hobby. This time I will speak regarding the booster SN. I'm so sorry, the booster number 7. And I show you this booster very deeply in details. Now you can see the booster and the Starship booster SN-24 and the booster number 7. Okay, now I change the position of my camera and I show you all details regarding this model. Okay, one moment please, I'm back. Okay guys, now in this position you can see all details. You can see the entirely booster number 7, and now I'll start to showing it to you by rotating it slowly, and then I will proceed to show it to you in details in several parts. Now I start. You can see, one moment, yeah, I have always this bad habit. This is the top section. This is the middle section. This is the bottom section. And this is so close to the engine section. This is the methane tank. All this is the methane tanks. All this is oxygen tank. All this. This is the booster quick disconnect. These and these are the COPV covers. There are 4. 1, 2, 3 in the other part and 4 in this side. This you can see in this part of the video is the point where in the next future I joined the grid fins 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 in the other side, other COPV, the doors to go inside the methane tank. We have in this side another door for the oxygen tank in the low part of the booster. Look this detail, and the same here, we have another detail. Look at these details. We have a CLPV cover in this side, in this part of the oxygen tank. We have in this part, in the low part of the booster, two CLPV covers, one in this side and one in this. And this we have a small CLPV covers. And we are back at the original part. Now I will start showing it to you by rotating it slowly, and then I proceed to show it to you in details in several parts. Okay, now I change the position of the my booster, and I show you in details all parts of the model. I start with this the top section. Okay, in this way you can see it very good. We have the top side of the booster with the corrugation. All these parts have a corrugation. We have the two holes in the next future. I joined in these places the grid fins. We have this detail, one here, one in this part. All this part regarding the corrugation. I'm so sorry, I changed the position. We have another detail. We have details in this part. Okay, now I change. I show you in details all the middle section. We have the door for the technician. Thanks to this door, they can go inside the methane tank. We have the corrugation between the upper side and the low part, the methane tank and the oxygen tank. We have these two lines for the fuels. We have other details. I'm so sorry. We have others two details regarding the middle section. Another detail. Look, it's so incredible. I'm so proud of my work and my model, because at the end of all this work, I'm sure that he is a very incredible model. No 3D print, guys. I did all with my techniques, all my capacity, all my manuality. And this is the bottom part of the booster. We have the corrugation, the COPVs covers. This is a short, and we have two so long. In this part, in this place, in this point, we have the booster quick disconnect. All corrugation. No, it's good. Another. Look, all details. All details. I'm so proud of me. Okay. And I show you now. I change the position. One moment. I show you the booster with the Starship SN-24. Okay, do you like? Yes, yes. They are so beautiful, so perfect. And I'm so proud of me for this incredible work. It's so hard, yes. But at the end of all this work, I have a great satisfaction, guys. Okay, I hope that thanks to this video, you have had the opportunity to see in detail all parts of my super booster. It will then join the Starship SN-24, and they will enter in my large space themed collection in the next future. And for this, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so sorry, I forget that this is the skirt for the engine section, and you can, I show you, one moment, I show you all details inside. Look, I'm so sorry, I changed the, okay. In this side you can see the details present. One moment, I change. One moment, I try in this different way. In this way, probably I can help you. Where is? Okay. Look the details. Nope, in this way is not good. Okay, and I take this. Okay. Do you like it? Or in this way is so? Nope. Okay. Okay, guys. I take another time my super booster. The Starship SN-24 version 1, not version 2. Okay, guys, we have finished another time this incredible video. See you soon next time, and don't forget, AMK brand is always the best regarding the Astronautic model kit. See you soon, bye!